Growing up, I was often labeled as quiet. People would ask, why don't you talk more? Or why do you seem so reserved? What they didn't see was how. Around the people I love, I'm completely different. I'm expressive, passionate, and driven to lead. That contrast has been my reality, a balance between the quiet strength of introspection and the powerful energy of connection. Our society celebrates the loudest voices and the boldest actions, often leaving those who thrive in quietness misunderstood. But here's what I've learned. Being reflective doesn't limit you. It fuels authenticity and focus. And in a world full of noise, sometimes it's the quiet, purposeful voices that truly make an impact. Today, I want to show you how balancing introverted tendencies with leadership and passion can create powerful, meaningful success. It's not about changing who you are. It's about embracing the strengths you already have. We often try to define people with labels. Introvert, extrovert, leader, follower. But the truth is, most of us don't fit neatly into these categories. Like many of you, I am a blend. I have introverted traits. I value reflection. I enjoy solitude, but I also lead. I speak with conviction, and I am fiercely passionate about my goals. For me, it's about the people I trust. Around family and close friends, my voice becomes stronger. In those moments, I'm not just observing, I'm acting, stepping into roles that demand confidence and direction. That ability to adapt has been my greatest strength. It allows me to listen, observe, and then act when it matters most. Introversion doesn't mean silence. It doesn't mean weakness. It's a way of processing the world thoughtfully so that when we do speak, we bring value to the conversation. One of the biggest misconceptions about introverts is that they can't lead. People think leadership belongs to the loudest voice in the room. But leadership isn't about volume. It's about vision, empathy, and results. In one of my leadership roles, I remember being part of a group project. Everyone expected the loudest voices to dominate the conversation. I stayed quiet at first, observing and listening. But when I finally spoke, I synthesized everyone's ideas into a clear plan. That project was a success because it wasn't about who spoke the most. It was about who spoke with purpose. Introverts bring a unique strength to leadership. We don't just hear words, we hear intention. We pick up on the unspoken cues, the emotions behind the dialogue. Listening is one of the most underrated leadership skills, and it's one that introverts excel at. Our strength lies in our ability to reflect, to plan, to execute with intention. We may not always dominate the conversation, but we drive it forward with clarity and focus. For me, relationships are the cornerstone of any meaningful success. But connection isn't about quantity, it's about quality. I thrive in smaller, deeper conversations or interactions. It's in those moments of trust and openness that I find the energy to express myself fully. Passion plays a big role here. When you care deeply about your goals, people notice. Whether it's inspiring a team, supporting a loved one, or sharing an idea, the energy you bring from a place of authenticity is what truly resonates, and that's something people can always feel. Of course, balance is key. There are moments when I need to step back and recharge, and I've learned that it's okay to take that time. In fact, it's necessary. When I give myself that space, I come back stronger, ready to give my best to the people and projects that matter most. This balance between introspection and connection, between quiet reflection and confident action, isn't just my story. It's something all of us can embrace. We live in a world that values noise, but it's often the quiet strength, the one that listens, that observes, that acts with precision, that creates the most lasting impact. In the Philippines, where gatherings and celebrations are central to our culture, it's easy to feel like being reserved is a disadvantage. But our culture also values something else: deep relationships, thoughtfulness, and resilience. These are strengths that introverts bring to the table. It's a reminder that every kind of personality has something valuable to offer. Being reflective, being passionate, being someone who balances quiet strength with confident action, these are not contradictions. They are the foundations of authentic leadership and meaningful success. So here's my challenge to you. Whether you see yourself as an introvert, an extrovert, or somewhere in between, embrace all sides of who you are. Lead with purpose. Speak when it matters, and never underestimate the power of reflection. The world doesn't need you to fit into a single category. It needs your authentic self-balance. It needs your authentic self-balance driven and unapologetically you. Let's celebrate the quiet moments and the loud ones. Let's celebrate the power of being exactly who we are. Thank you so much. This has been Karen Joy Akert, and have a great day ahead.